Hey little buddies, what's your favorite holiday? Is it the one with turkey, yummy pies, and lots of family hugs? If you guessed Thanksgiving, you're right. And guess what? We're going to have the best Thanksgiving ever together. Before we start our adventure, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our fun. Ready? Let's go. So, what exactly is Thanksgiving? Imagine a super long time ago, a group of people called the Pilgrims came to a new land. They didn't know how to grow food or build houses very well. But some really kind people, the Wampanoag Native Americans, helped them. They taught the Pilgrims how to plant corn, catch fish, and live in their new home. After a whole year of hard work and with a big harvest of food, the Pilgrims were so thankful. They decided to have a giant feast to celebrate and say thank you to their new friends. And that, my friends, was the very first Thanksgiving. It was like the biggest thank you party in history. Today, we celebrate Thanksgiving to remember that story and to think about all the things we're thankful for in our own lives. It's a special day to be with family and friends, share a delicious meal, and just be happy together. It's not about presents like Christmas or costumes like Halloween. It's all about gratitude. Gratitude is a big word that just means being thankful. It's like having a warm, fuzzy feeling inside when you think about all the good stuff you have, like your toys, your cozy bed, your parents, and even your favorite ice cream flavor. Now for the super fun part. What do you do on Thanksgiving? Well, the day usually starts with a big, amazing smell filling the whole house. That's the smell of the Thanksgiving feast being cooked. The star of the show is usually a big roasted turkey, but that's not all. There's also stuffing, which is like a yummy bread salad cooked inside the turkey. Then there's creamy mashed potatoes, sweet cranberry sauce that's bright red, and maybe some green bean casserole or sweet potatoes with marshmallows on top. It's a food party on your plate. And for dessert? Oh, the desserts. Pumpkin pie, apple pie, pecan pie, so many pies. It's a day to eat all your favorite comfort foods. While the grown-ups are busy in the kitchen, it's the perfect time for kids to have some fun. You can help set the table. Maybe you can make special place cards with everyone's names on them. Get some paper, fold it in half, write a name, and draw a little turkey or a colorful leaf next to it. Everyone will feel so special. Another super fun activity is making a thankful turkey. You just trace your hand on a piece of brown paper to make the turkey's body. Then, on colorful paper feathers, you write down things you're thankful for. One feather could say, "My family," another, "My dog," and another, "My awesome bike." Then you glue the feathers onto your turkey. It's a beautiful decoration and a great reminder of all your blessings. When it's finally time to eat, everyone gathers around the table. This is a really important moment. Before anyone takes a bite, people often go around the table and say one thing they are thankful for. It can be something big, like being healthy, or something small, like a funny joke your friend told you. Don't be shy. It's wonderful to hear what everyone is grateful for. It fills the room with so much love and happiness. It's like sharing little pieces of your heart with your family. This is my favorite part of Thanksgiving because it reminds us what the day is truly all about. After the big meal, you might feel super full and a little sleepy. We call that a food coma. It's the perfect time to relax. Some families love to watch a big football game on TV. It's a Thanksgiving tradition for many. Cheering for your team with a full belly is super cozy. Other families might like to watch a special Thanksgiving parade. The most famous one is the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in New York City. It has giant balloons of your favorite characters, cool floats, and marching bands. It's like a huge party marching down the street. It's so cool to see a giant Snoopy or SpongeBob floating in the sky. If watching TV isn't your thing, how about playing some games? You could play a board game with your cousins or even organize a family scavenger hunt. Someone can hide little Thanksgiving-themed items around the house, like mini pumpkins or turkey drawings, and everyone has to find them. Or, if the weather is nice, you can go outside and play in the yard. Tossing a football around or playing in the fall leaves is a great way to have fun and get some energy out after that big meal. Making memories together is one of the best parts of the holiday. Another wonderful thing to do on Thanksgiving is to share. Since the holiday is all about gratitude and helping others, just like the Wampanoag helped the Pilgrims, it's a great time to be kind. You could help your parents pack up some leftover food to share with a neighbor who might be alone. Or maybe you can help collect canned foods for a local food drive. Helping others makes your heart feel full, and it's a beautiful way to spread the spirit of Thanksgiving beyond your own home. A little act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's day. As the day comes to an end, you'll be left with a full tummy and a full heart. You'll have new memories with your family that you can talk about for years. You'll remember the funny stories your grandpa told, the delicious pie your aunt made, and the fun game you played with your cousins. Thanksgiving is more than just a day off from school. It's a feeling. It's the feeling of being loved, being safe, and being thankful for all the amazing people and things in your life. It's a warm hug in the middle of autumn. So this Thanksgiving, I want you to look around. Look at the smiling faces of your family, taste the delicious food on your plate, and feel the warmth in the room. Take a moment to think about 3 things that make you really, really happy. Got them? Awesome! That feeling right there, that's the magic of Thanksgiving. It's about counting your blessings, not your problems. And that's our ultimate guide to having the best Thanksgiving ever. From understanding its history to fun crafts and traditions, now you're a Thanksgiving expert. What's your favorite Thanksgiving food? I'll love to hear from you. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It was so much fun. Don't forget to like this video if you had a good time and subscribe for more amazing adventures. We have so many more fun things planned. See you next time, little buddies. Bye.